Hi guys, it's me again, Tony Lim, and today I actually would like to make this video and to share with all of you about the market trends right now in Malaysia. And we can see that it's a little bit of ranging markets recently that the overall market it seems like going ups and downs. Okay, so don't worry. Actually, I make this short video is would like to share a little bit on my point of view about what is the market trend is we're going to move in this upcoming days, few weeks. Okay, or maybe we'll talk about the next week in one week's time. Well, so before getting started, then I will just maybe let me just go through a disclaimer that later I will share a little bit about my point of view, and if I touches any stock and also any futures or anything, it's just my own opinions. And if you want to invest, you can go to look for your nearby professional, seek for professional advice in the nearby your area. Okay, so let's begin our sharing today. Then before I getting started, I would like to invite you to go to my Facebook, and this is actually my Facebook to add me as friend because before it's too late because now it's about thousands of friends already. So it's very soon that you will actually many people will come in and add me. So I hope that before it's too late, then you can join so that you can continue learn more information about how to invest in stock market. Well, so I have shared one of this why people tends to fear in stock market recently in my website. So I would like to take this opportunity, of course, to actually share with you as well on this post. Then perhaps you can go to just click on my Facebook here, and you can link to this my sharing of today. Then just read through and learn a little bit about why people will tends to fear in stock market. Okay, before further ado, so let's begin for our sharing today. And as we can see that this is actually the chart for FKRI for Malaysia market. Okay, so from here, I think you can see that these pullbacks for before it actually going to spike yesterday. And today we can see that the market actually after the Monday itself, it started to come back. Well, so from here, let's draw a little bit about this line. So it will be tends to becomes the what we call the downtrend channel. Okay, and the symmetrical triangle shape is being formed. Okay, so from here we can see that the support level is being already forming on 1642. So the another resistance is coming out very soon, which is I think most probably will be at 1676 point. And right now, as we can see that this FKLI has moved above this 20 of the Bollinger Band, and very soon that it will comes to this level we call in 1676. So most probably about 9 points further. And why I say that is because through my past sharing, I mentioned that our FKI, if it really break through the 1666, which is 1666, then you will continue to go up to the next level. So my next level, which is I think a little bit of conservative, will be 1676, and the next level that we can see, maybe I just draw it up there so that you can see it more clearly. Just hang on a while. So this is actually the 1676. Okay, around here. So why? Because this is actually a lot of resistant level that we can see, which is number one, number two, number three, number four. So it's very soon they become over the second resistant level. And another resistant level, if it really break through for 1676, and most probably that we have a likelihood we can see it will move up to 1690, okay, which is 1690, which is 1690. So from here itself, in short to say that this is actually the uptrends very soon that we can see is coming up. Okay, but however that is a downtrend channel here that is hitting the resistance point for 1667 today. So we have to ensure that it really move up, pull up from here, that it can continues to go up a little bit further. Okay, so however, I would like to give some uh, so-called people, those who trade in future market have a little bit of cautious. Why? Let's share a little bit here. Okay, because if we can see here, this is actually the shoulder, and this is the shoulder, and this is the head. That is the head and shoulder is being formed in the daily chart. So is although that is actually have a ranging market for a certain period of time, but however, we have to be a little bit of cautious because that is actually a head and shoulder is being formed. And however, that we can see the RSI, the relative strength index right now is actually moved above this 50 percent level. So I can maybe can make a conclusion in a nutshell to say that in the short terms, the markets for FKLI, it could continuously go up. But however, we cannot just based on the technical itself to gauge the markets whether it's go up now, right? So we have to move and take a look for this what we so called the foreign investors. So recently, whether this funds comes in, whoa, we can see from the red color itself is actually a foreign fund. And for the foreign fund, we can say from 18th October, that is 254 million is coming in. So most probably in these few days, we can say that it's a good news because it's always moved below this 100s benchmark. And right now it's actually moving above. So we have to double check to the monthly chart itself. Okay, for monthly chart, I can say in the October, from the September to October in the negative minus 280x, it have moved up to positive level for 74 million itself. So we can see that this ranging is being formed. The symmetrical triangle is very similar to what the chart has been formed. So in short to say, the market will continues to move up in a short period of time for this week, probably for this month. Okay, so this is sharing about the FKLI. And however, that's the students have a question to ask me that, hey, Tony teaches, I actually invested in the top glove that you have mentioned in $4 and 4 ringgit and 40 cent at times, and now it's already going up to 5 ringgit, nearly to five ringgit and 10 cents. It's gone down to 4 ringgit and 80 over cents, and now it's being gone up for today is 5 ringgit again. So should I sell it or should I keep it? Well, that's a very good question. So if I were you, in the first place, that we have to ask ourselves, what is the methodology or what is the goal that we invest? Is it short term or is it actually go for long term? So when the first place that I introduced this stock, actually go for the, I mean, in my point of view, is we go for long term because we can see that the price when in a good time, it will, most probably you can gone up to 7 ringgit. Okay, so right now 5 ringgit is still considered is not very expensive. We can say that. Okay, but I thought, of course, it's not as cheap as compared to 4 ringgit and 40 cents that we have entered before or we purchased it before. So for those who actually have profited, and you can consider to perhaps to sell it for 60% of your share, and you can remain 40%. Maybe you can keep sorry, you can keep 60% and sell 40%. Okay, just going to another way down. Okay, so why we sell the 40%? The methodologies why I apply in this way is because the 40% we can always use it to trade when the top group itself has gone down the price to $4 over from here roughly, and we buy it, and when it's actually gone up and the technical itself it told us that it start to pull back, and then we can sell it again to make the quick profits, which is like Richard Strahan methodology, the momentum trading. And the profits that we make, we can actually put it back into value investing and continue to actually buy up for the stock until it reach to 7 ringgit or even higher. Okay, so however, I can say that from 18 October, that is before 18 October even, then the employee provident funds in Malaysia is called continuously acquired their shares, continuous purchase. So most probably I can say that this is one of the good sign that we can see this stock will continue to go up for the certain period of time. You know, you just purchase, just keep it for this stock. I think I still positive for this stock at this moment. All right, so my sharing for this short sharing for upcoming stock was trend as completed. So if you have any questions, then I welcome you to actually to add me from my Facebook, which is to just go to type in, and this is my email address. Okay, just Tony Lim, vis@gmail.com. Then you can see this email, and you can add me as a friend. Then you can actually message me and ask me question. Then I will reply you, or even you can go to my website. You can read through. This is my website, which is www.tonylim.st.com to find out more information about how to invest in stock market. And of course, there's two different separate so-called tabs here, and this is about myself and this is about my company. Okay, so I think my sharing is completed. You can just go through my website and just take a look and to understand more about me. So I hope that this sharing can help you a little bit and to give some value to you. I hope it can help you to make some profit as well in this week or even the upcoming week. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Tony Lim here, and thanks for watching. See you guys again.